like a bird on a tree.
Well, I've certainly used it in both. I've used it at the RSC, I've used it in Hollywood movies, I've used it, and it works for me just as well in either. And one of the keys to the method, technique, is something that I learned from Lecoq way back in my own training, which is the ability to expand or go to what you called extremities, to really stretch the emotion, stretch the feeling, stretch the intent, and then be able to reduce it to something that's very powerful and essentialized right inside of you. So if you're in a big stage, you're at the Olivier, then you might use more movement. You might be more clear about the movement. If you're in a close-up, in a movie, then of course everything's got to be more contained. But integrated acting absolutely helps to define and refine your clarity and your complexity and your depth in both stage and screen.
Take a step back